So this is Nay, you guys. Shout out to Nay. You want to get your Instagram information?
Add me on Snapchat.
Snapchat.
Nay_Nay1. I don't got no Instagram. But just hit me up on Snapchat or something.
Okay. Well, shout out to you, girl.
What's up, Pictures Rolling fam? It's your boy Jay. Ninfahall. As y'all can see, we in Costco's, y'all. Starting the vlog off.
Hey, when I walked up front, I said, "Bam!" She said, "Oh, okay."
Look, I could probably get that TV. Hey, no phone.
I paid down $2,500 right here.
Right here. Oh.
Whoa.
So y'all, we just running around.
Yeah, you can get my footage.
We got a surprise soon that what we will be doing, and we're gonna share that with y'all. So we just looking around, scouting around. Oh, we need to get a chair, huh? Yep. This, oh, you talking about this? Like a stand?
I mean, those are nice.
It is nice. I like this one. I like this modern one right here. Oh, she in love with this Dyson.
Never used it in my life.
But the reviews and stuff over it.
I've never used it in my life, but yes, it's $300.
Cheaper here. Go on anywhere else, you're gonna see it like $500–600.
What does this do?
I want to get one of those. The little robot thing, vacuuming the floor.
Look.
What is that? Oh. Look at the shoes.
Why don't you just...
So we brought a couple of things. Start with little books. Talk about sharks and stuff.
I'm gonna look at the page. This was a gun.
Homegirl loves some.
What is reading?
She loves some LOL.
Giant Biscuit Adventure Activity Pack. I feel how heavy that is.
Oh! You got me.
What is that?
You got me. I'm thought like, is that heavy? Like, whoa.
Oh, stop. This is so fun. I want to play.
Well, things cost money these days.
What you gonna do with it?
Oh, she can make her story, like put stickers or like stuff like that. Write whatever she's gonna write.
It's so cool. Hold on. They're gonna be on the dance floor.
Okay.
Then I got a Paw Patrol, princess right here. Yeah, princess. Okay, let me put this stuff back because nobody puts things back.
Okay, you can pick one.
You know she gonna get. Y'all already know.
But look, this is so much cooler because
You got all the princesses.
yeah, and then whose castle is that?
That's Cinderella,
Whose castle is that?
Beauty and the Beast,
And so forth.
This is Cinderella. That's Cinderella. I'm confused.
What's that? One is Aladdin, Jasmine. Like this color is one of my favorites.
Y'all, we about to cash out. About to cash out. I'm just about to cash out. See the moon back there? That's the moon. Well, where the moon at? So y'all, we leaving Costco, as y'all can see. Okay. That's the moon, right? Hold on. Zoom in. There you go. Well, that's the moon right there, y'all. That dot right there, it's the moon. But yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff up. Y'all, we in Target. We love to be in the stores though. Are you going down this road? Look, surprise, it's not packed.
Guess what?
Everybody at the bar.
I'm looking for old-fashioned sea breeze.
Old-fashioned sea breeze? Okay.
You know what I'm talking about, Jason?
Nope. What? Can you go?
Oh, I want to go with
Are we in the electronics? That's the GoPro 7. That's a good camera though. You try that. We're gonna start some church clothes. Okay. Well, y'all see if we do a haul, we'll show y'all. Oh, they got friend shirts for kids now.
Mama, look. You like this?
That's the friend shirt. We was looking like friends. That's the one we got, but we got different color.
Yeah.
So y'all, we about to check out, and we'll do a shopping haul for y'all. So we got y'all. Here we go. Y'all, we in Meijer's right now. We in Meijer's. But yeah, need to look for some something. Sea breeze. And the music on, y'all, so you might have to fast forward this. She probably found it. Sea breeze.
Yeah. I'm blocking out the music. Go.
So this is everything that we got from Target. Oh, not Target. Hold on. Back up. Costco's. So we got 2 of these Pure Luxe shapeable, comfortable pillows. We got 2 sets of these. So it's 2 come in a pack. So we got 2 here and 2 right there. And it helps align the head and neck, enhance comfort and optimal. Then me and Jason got these two of these Tommy Hilfiger jackets. So we needed some new jackets, so we got these here. Got 2 of those. Both me and him both got one. What'd you say?
$18 now.
Then I had got these Puma shoes, also from Target. Found some face colors from Target. I'm sorry, Costco's. Jason got these waterproof vintage socks. Some men briefs. Star got this. What is this? It's a giant activity pad from Costco's. So that's the Costco's haul. Now going to Target haul. So we had to get Star some clothes, some stuff. So we got her some Jack and Jill pants. She wear those to school. Then she got 2 uniform shirts, a red and a white. Then I found these nice little dresses that she can wear to church on Sundays. So she got this one, That one. Nice gold one. A nice sparkly one. A pretty blue one. And a black and white one. So all these, black and silver, sorry. All these dresses will be worn to church so she could have clothes for church because she really needed it. Then she got this pretty little Wonder Woman shirt. Let me open it up. So that, found her a pink, hold on, a pink Friends shirt. Then she got this jacket with stars on it and a hoodie. Yeah, it got a little hoodie to it. Got these cute little boots. They Jack and Jill also. Yep, Cat and Jack. Not Jack and Jill. They use this Cat and Jack, y'all. Then Jason got these pants here. What is wrong with this cat? Kit Kat acting up. What's wrong with the dumb cat, man? And then he got this Goku Dragon Ball Z hat. Pretty cool though, ain't it? Don't know what that says, but yeah. And he got these Dragon Ball Z, and he got these green pants here. I'm really feeling these pants. That was all Costco. Then we stopped at Meijer and just got some sheets for the bed. Let me get it out right quick. So we got this pattern here for the bed, for our bed, me and Jason. And then Sarah got, check out the bed. She got a nice little purple set for her bed. Then, let me see. Jason got this belt from Target. Nice belt. Why y'all trying to shush the cat? She ain't gonna shut up.
Okay, you got it.
And I got me some wet ones to wipe my hands. Some sea breeze. And some face hydro mist for my face. And that is all. Oh no, one more thing. We found this Monopoly game at Target. At Meijer's also.
Y'all heard the cat?
Yep. So that's this here is from Meijer's. So y'all. Yeah. So we thank y'all for watching. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the community tab, and also hit that bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload. I am taking this out of my head, y'all. This is coming down tonight, right now. Bye.